In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default font in Microsoft Word. Changing the default font is a simple but powerful way to save time and make sure every new document you create matches your preferred style. Instead of manually adjusting the font each time, you can set your favorite font, size, and style so Word automatically uses it every time you start a new document. This is especially useful if you regularly create professional documents, reports, or school assignments and want consistent formatting. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can open a blank document or an existing document. Either will work for setting the default font. Once your document is open, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the Font section, you'll see the current font and size being used in your document. Next, click the small arrow icon in the bottom right corner of the Font section. This opens the Font dialog box, which gives you detailed control over your font settings. In the Font dialog box, choose the font you want to set as your default. You can also adjust the font style, such as regular, bold, or italic, and select the font size you prefer. Take a moment to explore additional options like text effects or character spacing if you want a customized look for your default font. Once you've made your selections, look toward the bottom of the dialog box and click the button that says Set as Default. A new prompt will appear asking whether you want to apply this font setting to only this document or to all documents based on the normal template. To ensure every new document uses your chosen font, select the option for all documents based on the normal template. Finally, click OK to confirm your choice. Word will now use your selected font as the default for all new documents, saving you time and ensuring consistent formatting every time you start a new file. And that's it. By setting your preferred font as the default in Microsoft Word, you can streamline your workflow and maintain a polished, professional look across all your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.